Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is the holiday season, and I'm so excited to have my friend Kristin with me to help us make what?
All right, we have Cranberry Brie Bites.
Oh, it sounds good already.
So good. And it's what I like to say, it's fun and festive for the booked and busy.
And I'm booked and busy.
Right.
I'm
and we have things to do. We got people to see, hands to shake, babies to kiss. So there's a lot going on.
Yes.
So let me tell you how simple this is.
Yes, please do.
So you got to go to the store, get some Phyllo dough, already pre-cooked, because it makes it easy. You get some cranberry sauce, some rosemary, and some brie. So
we still have the cranberry sauce in our closet.
If you have it, if you
we
have
already
it,
have it.
you already know you have it. So bring it back out, because we're gonna make this.
Yep.
So you gotta get the brie, just chop it up into little pieces, pop it right into the Phyllo bites. You're gonna get your cranberry sauce, just take a little spoonful, put it in, and then just sprinkle the rosemary over. You're gonna pop it into your air fryer, bake it at 300 for 4 minutes. It comes out crispy, so good. The brie melts into your mouth. The cranberry's a good little pop.
I'm gonna try.
And then you have your rosemary bite.
I'm gonna try.
Let's see.
Did you hear that crunch?
Do you hear that? That was good. That was nice.
This is so good.
Isn't it nice?
This is really good, and it's really good for entertaining. During the holiday season, we're all looking for something fast and delicious.
Yes, I do have to say, my sister told me, you gotta bring something over for Thanksgiving. I said, fine. So she said, send me this recipe. I made it, was super easy. I can also suggest using dough instead of Phyllo, so just like Pillsbury dough.
Well, what she brought for Thanksgiving, we can bring for every other holiday in this season. So head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. Oh, you gotta try one.
All right, let's go. Cheers.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.